ATLAS is a huge detector which is used for observing the results of the collisions that happen at the Large Hadron Collider in Geneva.
We've designed a program where a student could never have come across anything particle physics before, any sort of computer programming before, and we'll train them in the real techniques that we use to analyse all of this data.
It's a good ground for developing the skills that we actually apply day to day in the field of particle physics, such as programming and a good degree of scrutiny with an objective mind.
I think they'll get to understand how we work a little bit more.
What I want them to get out of it is just the confidence to actually feel the love for the science.
By doing this program, it was a nice introduction to particle physics, even before we had learnt it in school.
We've learned probably more now than what the curriculum tells us we need to learn.
To see some of that data for real is very exciting, to say the least.
The students are coming across real problems that I don't know how to answer, and I think that's quite nice.
One thing I enjoyed was working in a group, so if you do it with maybe a few friends, that can make it a lot more enjoyable.
Yeah, I'd say I'd never be afraid to ask for some help.
I think it's incredibly important to learn coding because I think there's so many real-world applications to it.
It gets easier. At the beginning it was a bit hard, obviously, because we didn't know anything about it, but then it was all right. Yeah.
Once you can actually code something for yourself, it's also, you feel quite proud of yourself as well.
And so I'd recommend it.